Hi, my name is Michael Leary, the Dryer Furnace West Area Manager at Enviva, Ahoskie.
Hi, my name is Michael Leary, United States Marine veteran. Been here at Ahoskie about 8 years now. Started out in truck loadout. Now I am the Dryer Furnace West Area Manager for Ahoskie. At Enviva, I'm the Dryer Furnace West Area Manager in charge of the control room operators, and we oversee the overall functionality of the plant from drying to sizing. Actually started out on the construction company that helped build the plant. I've worked my way up from control room operator to now Dryer Furnace West Area Manager, and I have 8 guys that work under me. At Enviva, I've been able to grow from operator to area manager, and I've attained several certifications to help me in my leadership role. As a United States Marine Corps veteran, I pride myself on honesty and integrity, and Enviva represents these same qualities.